Good morning, Claire. You were teaching us about the differences between pharmaceutical medicines and Chinese herbs, and you said there were 4 differences. You've already taught us about 1 and 2. Can you tell us what 3 and 4 are?
Of course. Okay, the potency of drugs is a double-edged sword. It makes the drugs very effective and targeted, but it can also cause side effects, and sometimes serious side effects.
Right.
And Chinese herbs are different because the principle of Chinese medicine, as we talked about before, is about balance. So when you design a formula, you always think about, is there any potential side effects? How can I treat the disease without harming the body?
Excellent.
So like assistant herbs we just talked about, their function is mainly to reduce any potential side effects. So that's the third difference. More side effects versus fewer or no side effects.
Excellent.
And the last difference I want to talk about is on what they do to the body's self-healing.
Okay.
The idea of pharmaceutics is that if a system is overactive in your body, let's suppress it. If it's underperforming, let's stimulate it. Nothing wrong, that's a great idea. But the problem is we solely rely on pills to do what the body should be doing. So over the long time, the body's self-correcting capability is suppressed.
Right.
And you have to keep taking the pills to feel good. And Chinese herbs has a different focus. It's about stimulate the body's self-healing. The reason I put a patient on herbs is to eventually take her off those herbs, so her body can take care of itself.
Right, perfect, of course.
So that's the 4th difference about suppressing self-healing versus stimulating self-healing. And finally, I want to point out that this comparison is not about which is better, because each medicine has its forte. For many conditions, you have to use Western medicine because they're much more effective and work much faster. Actually, Chinese medicine and the pharmaceutics have a lot in common. More importantly, they complement each other. Where one falls short, the other one can fill in. Every medicine has its strengths, but no medicine is perfect by itself. So when we combine the best of all, the medicine will be more powerful and bring more benefits to patients.
Excellent. Thank you so much for that. Hopefully more people will look into the Chinese herbs to round out their treatment plans.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.